I've kind of been, I've been going nonstop between appointments for me and my daughter, and then with the bleaching my hair. I have to take a day to do the process. Give it a good conditioning afterwards and all that stuff. So, 2 days for the bleaching, and then I had to take a day for doing the toner. So what I did was I used the T18, and because my hair had thinned out so much, I bought 2 bottles. I thought 1 bottle was enough. And I said, before I pour in this whole bottle of Violet additive, which is also from Clairol, I said, let me read the instructions. And it said you're only supposed to put a few drops. You're only supposed to put up to 4 capfuls. And I'm just like dumping it. So I know it was more than 4. So I got to do the top, and you can still see that orange strip right here. Well, it's like more like a gold now. Um, and then it was not enough. I did the top, and it was not enough. And I'm trying to saturate it, and I do it with the 20 developer. And so I couldn't get the second T18 open, and this thing is sitting in my hair. My daughter had to help me. Between me and my daughter, it finally opened up the second bottle, and I had to put 4 more drops of additive. I'm doing the same thing, just dumping it. So I know it was more than 4, and I tried my best to saturate. I mean, really soak it in. So the 2 bottles, I think there might have been a tiny bit left over. It was more than enough. And I'm thinking I got my hair nice and saturated, and I'm still finding like gold streaks in there. But it really turned my hair. Look how dark that came out. You see how dark the roots came out. And I was like, that's a little bit too dark. But it was like a really cool toned silver. And I had my husband wanted me to go out with him somewhere, and he plays music sometimes, and like at a church group, they meet at, it's called a home group. So I was like, sure, why not? I've been going nonstop, why not? So I went with him, and everybody was looking at me like, they didn't dare say anything. They didn't say your hair looks nice, so I don't think they liked it very much. But it was a really strong, cool toned silver. And so I still have probably half the bottle of the cheap shampoo that they said takes out the color out of your hair. So I said, let me see what happens, because I did want it lighter. So I did it, and I can tell that it is lighter, but it just exposed more of the blonde. So, so yes, I still have half the bleach 40 and half the bleach powder. And with this one, you have to use double the developer. So that's probably going to finish faster. So when it's time, I'm thinking about when it's time to tone my hair again. Since I have 2 bottles of this Violet, I only use like half of the 1 bottle. But I want to try. I did it last time. I think it's the T10, and I liked how that looked on my hair. So I might use T10 next time I tone my hair, because they say it does lift little by little, especially since I'm still using that shampoo. Because I don't think the yellow is gonna show if I put it on this intense silver color. So I don't know. I'm thinking that right now I'm just gonna enjoy it. I don't care what anybody says. I always wanted to try out silver hair, and I did. And so little by little, I'm doing the goals, knocking that off my list of things I wanted to do. My mom is saying, why didn't you just let your regular hair grow out? But I told her my hair is still very dark. I just have a couple of silver in my hair, and it's just not enough silver, I told her. So, I mean, eventually I will just let my natural hair grow out, but I just want to enjoy doing these different things. So I may bleach it again, but because my hair's already lightened, I probably don't need to leave it in more than 15 minutes. So I think I would just try to just do it real quick just to get it through and just rinse, wash it out. Or I may just do the roots when they grow out, because I still have dark hair and it's not really a salt and pepper. And I mean, if it was a salt and pepper, like my mom's hair is pure white. My sister has a beautiful gray going on. And I don't even have a good salt and pepper. I just have like white streaks like right here, and that bothers me. And every time I think my new growth is coming out salt and pepper, just my roots are still very dark. So I don't know if I'm just gonna touch up the roots every month or two, maybe every 2 months, and just continue to tone it. Or if I can lighten this enough, then I can do the rainbow. So I'm still not sure what I'm doing. I just know for now, I'm enjoying this silver. I don't care. My daughter says, now you look like an old lady because of my hair. But I love it. I love it. But she insists I don't have wrinkles. So, so I think I can pass right now for not being a grandmother. An elderly 80-year-old woman, even though I feel like an 80-year-old woman with all my arthritis and carpal tunnel. So this was my toning journey. I used the violet with the T18, and because I was I watched videos, and that's what this girl did, and her hair came out a beautiful silver. Now I know it's just that store-bought stuff is crap. I mean, look, I still can't get this like golden color out, and that was from using the store-bought, because it was free. I got 3 free bottles of hair dye that I just wanted to use. So that was my toning journey. And so let's see what happens from here. But I will not be done with my hair until I get that rainbow in. And I don't think the yellow will show in this intense silver. I think I would need to bleach it again. So let's see where that takes us. Again, like I said, I know I'm not going to need to leave it in for long. So, I mean, right now my hair is just a normal hair comes out. It's minimal now. It's just the normal hair that comes out when I detangle, before I bleach. So I don't want my hair to fall out. So, I wouldn't leave it in for an hour, but I would leave it in for maybe 15 minutes just to lighten it more and get that yellow in for the rainbow. So so that's exciting. And so, like I said, tomorrow I'm going to clean up the table because I got like important papers that I need before Monday. And I'm probably going to do like not the unboxing, because I did open it because I was like so excited. And it was on my way to this home group thing. But I'll just take everything out. We'll look at it and probably do swatches. So I'll do that video. And so yeah. My sugar pill I should be getting. They said I'm supposed to get it tomorrow, but the post office says you should get it by a certain day. And I don't know why, with sugar pill stuff, I usually don't get it till a day or two after that. So, I'll be doing looks with that. But for now, I'm just so exhausted. My box is on the table. I haven't even really opened anything. It's just still there in the box. So, so I'll definitely start that one next week. And that's it. So I will see you guys next week. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.